So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 14.5.1 also major problems and also bug in iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, lot of iPhone and iPad user reported to iOS 14.5.1 update after major problems show on iPhone as well as bugs and also issue on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, iOS 14.5.1 update after major problems show on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, first one problem is Bluetooth connectivity issue. Second one is Wi-Fi problem. Third one is mobile data and network problem. Fourth one is some iPhone users iOS 14.5.1 update after camera and flashlight not working. Fifth one is battery health and also battery drain issue, and sixth one is iPhone overheating issue after iOS 14.5.1 update after. Guys, in this video I will try major problem fix on iPhone as well as iPad. 4 solutions for the same 3 problems, like first one is Bluetooth connectivity issue, second one is Wi-Fi problem, and third one is mobile data and network problem. So guys, please follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. iOS 14.5.1 update after major problem on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and also mobile data and network problem. So guys, in this video I will try to fix that issue on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, first solution is turn on and off aeroplane mode in your iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings, then you can see also if you turn off aeroplane mode, so guys please turn on after 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn off aeroplane mode in your iPhone and iPad. Now solution second and also solution third is most important. The solution is reset network settings and also reset all settings in your iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings and scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also scroll down and second last option is reset options. In reset, first option is reset all settings and third option is reset network settings. So guys, please tap on that, then easy to fix your problems. Now solution fourth is most important. The come back in settings, then you can see also last option is shutdown options. So guys, please tap on that, then you can see also slide to power off after 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. Fourth one solution is some iPhone users also reported to iOS 14.5.1 update after iPhone camera and also flashlight not working on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, this iPhone camera and also flashlight not working problem solutions on my another video. So guys, please check out my another video for that issue. If you not fix that issue, so guys, in this video I will try to fix another solutions to fix that issue. So guys, the solution is most important. The solution is install the iOS 14.5 beta 3 versions in iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, first of all Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone as well as iPad. Then you can see also open the any browser like Safari and Chrome browsers. Guys, now you can see also top corner search bar. In search bar search betaprofile.com. In betaprofile.com you can see also first website is download beta profile. So guys, please tap on that and scroll down. In scroll down, like you can see also iOS beta profile. In iOS beta profile iOS 14.6 beta 3. So guys, please tap on that, and now you can see also install anyway. Now allow tap and easy to fix your problems. Guys, now come back in iPhone and iPad home screens, then again open the settings. In settings you can see also profile download. So guys, please tap on that, enter your passcode and right hand side install options. So guys, please tap on that and tap on the not now restart in iPhone as well as iPad. Now again open the software update. So guys, in software update you can see also iOS 14.6 developer beta 3. So guys, you can easily download and install in your iPhone as well as iPad, and easy to fix your camera and also flashlight not working problem fix in your iPhone. So guys, now iOS 14.5.1 major problem is iPhone battery health and also battery drain issue show on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, simply open the settings app in your iPhone as well as iPad, then scroll down and tap on the battery. In battery you can see also battery health options. In battery health you can see also maximum capacity. In maximum capacity most of users say to iOS 14.5.1 update after suddenly decrease on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, I suggest you install iOS 14.6 beta 3 versions in your iPhone as well as iPad, and easy to fix your problems. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment section. Thank you so much.